Greetings of the day. Myself is Nishtha Jain, 20DC038, and my group members Nishita Kansagra, 20DC047, Ankur Kapuria, 20DC049, and Kelvi Manavadria, 20DC055, are here to give short presentation on our project called Rainfall Prediction for the subject C476 Machine Learning. Next. First, we'll be covering with the introduction of the project, and then we'll be moving on to the methodologies used to develop this project and the requirements. Then we'll be showing up our invitation and summing up with the conclusion. Starting with the introduction of our project, rainfall may or may not be everyone's favorite. It totally depends on one's choice. But we have been in a common situation where we don't have an umbrella and are stuck in a place for a couple of hours. Also, rainfall plays major role in many industries like agriculture, construction, tourism, etc. It is also a major cause in natural calamities like landslides, floods, and many others. Hence, it is very important for government and individuals to take proper measures and actions beforehand. Therefore, we have developed a project which will let us know if rainfall will occur or not, and hence we will be prepared for it.
Now we will go forward with the methodology and starting with about the data. So here we are using supervised machine learning model. So in supervised machine learning model, we need to give some data. So here there are some of the various factors which we will use to predict when the rainfall will happen. So some of the factors are date, location, rainfall, evaporation, sunshine, wind, humidity, pressure, cloud, average temperature. Next. Here we are using three algorithms. All three of them are supervised machine learning algorithm. First is KNN algorithm, which is providing us 92% of accuracy. So this algorithm uses proximity to make the classification of prediction about the grouping of individual data points. Another model which we are using is Random Forest, which is providing us 88% of accuracy. It uses decision trees and different samples and takes the majority vote on classification and average in case of regression. And another model, last model which we are using is SVM, which is also a supervised model, and it finds the optimal hyperplane and give us the most efficient data. It is a 79% of accuracy. Then the methodology we are using is EDA, exploratory data analysis, which refers to the method of studying and exploring record sets to apparent their predominant traits, discover patterns, locate outliers, and identify relationship between variables. EDA is normally carried out as a preliminary step before undertaking extra formal statistical analysis or modeling. Next.
For requirements, in hardware requirements, minimum of 4 GB RAM and minimum storage is 64 GB, and minimum processor must be Intel i3 and further versions, and AMD Ryzen 3 or further versions. In software requirements, just Jupyter Notebook and Anaconda, and tools and technology we have used Jupyter Notebook and Anaconda. Next.
These are some screenshots of the system. This is the screenshot of the support vector machine model that we have used. Next one is the random forest. So basically we used the random forest and some hyperparameter like grid and how much tree size, random state, etc. This is the KNN model. So conclusion is the basically we have limitation. Model is basically predict the rainfall will occur or not. How much rainfall will occur, how many hours, that are not predicted in our model. So this is the limitation, and this is also our future enhancement. Also, we are trying to implement the UI of the project. So in the conclusion, we learned to work with the flow of the machine learning algorithms, EDA, data pre-processing, and the machine learning models. Thank you.